NEET important MCQ questions from the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. First question, given below are two statements. Statement 1, in prokaryotes, the positively charged DNA is held with some negatively charged proteins in a region called nucleoid. Statement 2, in eukaryotes, the negatively charged DNA is wrapped around the positively charged histone octamer to form nucleosome. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option A, statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is true. Second question, match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option D, bacteriophage 5 into 174 is matched with 5386 nucleotides. Bacteriophage lambda is matched with 48,502 base pairs. Option C, Escherichia coli is matched with 4.6 into 10 raised to 6 base pairs. Option D, haploid content of human DNA is matched with 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pairs. Third question, if A and C make 30% and 20% of DNA respectively, what will be the percentage composition of T and G? Option C, T 30%, G 20%. Fourth question, if the length of a DNA molecule is 1.1 meters, what will be the approximate number of base pairs? Option B, 3.3 into 10 raised to 9 base pair. Fifth question, read the following statement and choose the set of correct statements. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option C, Option A, C and D only. That is, euchromatin is loosely packed chromatin. Histone octamer is wrapped by natively charged DNA in nucleosome, and histone are rich in lysine and arginine. Sixth question, complete the flow chart on central dogma. The correct option is A, replication, B, transcription, C, translation, and D, protein. Seventh question, if adenine makes 30% of the DNA molecule, what will be the percentage of thymine, guanine, and cytosine in it? Option B, thymine 30, guanine 20, cytosine 20. Eighth question, which one of the following statement about histone is wrong? Option A, the pH of histone is slightly acidic. Ninth question, which of the following statement is correct? Option D, adenine pair with the thymine through 2H bond. 10th question, if the distance between two consecutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometer and the total number of base pair of a DNA double helix in a typical mammalian cell is 6.6 into 10 raised to 9 base pair, then the length of the DNA is approximately option B, 2.2 meter. 11th question, in the polynucleotide chain of DNA, a nitrogenous base is linked to the OH of option C, 1' C pentose sugar. 12th question, the E. coli has only 4.6 into 10 raised to 6 base pairs and completes the process of replication within 80 minutes. Then the average rate of polymerization is approximately option D, 2000 base pair per second. 13th question, purine is found both in DNA and RNA are option B, adenine and guanine. 14th question, the association of histone H1 with a nucleosome indicates option C, the DNA is condensed into a chromatin fiber. 15th question, DNA fragments are option B, natively charged. 16th question, identify the correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest. Option B, genome, chromosome, gene, nucleotide. 17th question, the diagram shows an important concept in the genetic implication of DNA. Fill in the blanks A to C. Option D, A, transcription, B, translation, C, Francis Crick. 18th question, what are those structures that appear as beads on string in the chromosome when viewed under electron microscope? Option D, nucleosomes. 19th question, which does not follow central dogma of molecular biology? Option C, HIV. 20th question, 3' to 5' phosphodiester linkage occurs between option C, one nucleotide with the another nucleotide. 21 question, segment of DNA which acts as an instrument for synthesis of protein is option D, gene. 22nd question, in DNA molecule, option B, there are two antiparallel strands running in 5' to 3' and 3' to 5'. 23rd question, the two polynucleotide chain of DNA are option B, antiparallel. 24th question, DNA is very long. It is accommodated in small sized nucleus by option B, supercoiling. 25th question, antiparallel strands of DNA molecule means option D, phosphate group at the start of two DNA strands are in opposite positions. 26th question, the following ratio is generally constant for a given species. Option B, G plus C by A plus T. 27th question, the telomeres of eukaryotic chromosome consist of short sequence of option C, guanine-rich repeats. 20th question, in a DNA percentage of thymine is 20%, then what is the percentage of guanine? Option C, 30%. 29th question, length of one loop of B DNA. Option A, 3.4 nanometer. 13th question, number of base pairs in human chromosomes. Option A, 3 into 10 raised to 9. 31st question, gene composed of option B, polynucleotide. 32nd question, molecular weight of DNA in yeast is option A, 2.56 into 10 raised to 9.